After you put your J channel in, like around your windows and doors, now see I have a meter box right here, so I had to put a piece of J channel right here. After you do that, you got to put a starter strip, and then after that you can start putting your vinyl siding on. So what I did, make sure your corners and everywhere your J channel had that overhang over top of your foundation. In this case, my wall, I'm overhanging about an inch, inch and a half. I took my starter strip and I put it flush, even with the bottom of that. When I got it flush with the bottom of this, I put me a nail in there, put my level on it, and make sure I was level. Try to make sure that my bubble was dead in the middle of them two lines. And I just put me a nail in it every so many inches or so. You're probably looking about maybe 16, every 16 inches or whatnot. And keep it straight. Just nail it from one end to the other. Unlike your vinyl siding on your starter strips, you can nail this tight to your wall.